We go to the beach in summer.
We go to the beach in summer.
It is very hot in the summer.
It is very hot in the summer.
The sun is yellow and hot.
The sun is yellow and hot.
The sun rises in the morning.
The sun rises in the morning.
We buy food at the supermarket.
We buy food at the supermarket.
The supermarket is open late.
The supermarket is open late.
Are you sure about the time?
Are you sure about the time?
I am sure I locked the door.
I am sure I locked the door.
Put on a sweater if you are cold.
Put on a sweater if you are cold.
I like your blue sweater.
I like your blue sweater.
I like to swim in the sea in summer.
I like to swim in the sea in summer.
Can you swim in the big pool?
Can you swim in the big pool?
Swimming is my favorite sport in summer.
Swimming is my favorite sport in summer.
I go swimming with my friends on Sundays.
I go swimming with my friends on Sundays.
The book is on the table in my room.
The book is on the table in my room.
We eat dinner at the table every evening.
We eat dinner at the table every evening.
Please take your bag to school.
Please take your bag to school.
I take the bus to work every day.
I take the bus to work every day.
I like to talk with my grandmother.
I like to talk with my grandmother.
We talk about our day at dinner.
We talk about our day at dinner.
My brother is very tall for his age.
My brother is very tall for his age.
That is a tall building in the city.
That is a tall building in the city.
We take a taxi to the airport.
We take a taxi to the airport.
The taxi is yellow and very fast.
The taxi is yellow and very fast.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Would you like a cup of tea?
I drink tea every morning with breakfast.
I drink tea every morning with breakfast.
I want to teach English to children.
I want to teach English to children.
My father can teach me to drive a car.
My father can teach me to drive a car.
My teacher is very kind and helpful.
My teacher is very kind and helpful.
The teacher gives us homework every day.
The teacher gives us homework every day.
Our team won the football game yesterday.
Our team won the football game yesterday.
I play on a basketball team at school.
I play on a basketball team at school.
My sister is a teenager now.
My sister is a teenager now.
A teenager is between 13 and 19 years old.
A teenager is between 13 and 19 years old.
The telephone is ringing in the kitchen.
The telephone is ringing in the kitchen.
I need to telephone my mother now.
I need to telephone my mother now.
We watch television after dinner every night.
We watch television after dinner every night.
The television in my room is very old.
The television in my room is very old.
Please tell me your name.
Please tell me your name.
Can you tell me the time?
Can you tell me the time?
I have 10 fingers on my hands.
I have 10 fingers on my hands.
The shop opens at 10 in the morning.
The shop opens at 10 in the morning.
I play tennis with my friend on Saturdays.
I play tennis with my friend on Saturdays.
Tennis is a fun sport to watch.
Tennis is a fun sport to watch.
The weather today is terrible.
The weather today is terrible.
I feel terrible because I am sick.
I feel terrible because I am sick.
We have a test in English tomorrow.
We have a test in English tomorrow.
The teacher will test us on Monday.
The teacher will test us on Monday.
Please read the text on page 5.
Please read the text on page 5.
The text in this book is very easy.
The text in this book is very easy.
My house is bigger than your house.
My house is bigger than your house.
She is older than her brother.
She is older than her brother.
I want to thank you for your help.
I want to thank you for your help.
We thank our teacher every day.
We thank our teacher every day.
Thanks for helping me with my bag.
Thanks for helping me with my bag.
I said thanks to the bus driver.
I said thanks to the bus driver.
I like that red car over there.
I like that red car over there.
She said that she is happy today.
She said that she is happy today.
The sun is very bright today.
The sun is very bright today.
I see the cat in the garden.
I see the cat in the garden.
We go to the theater to see a play.
We go to the theater to see a play.
The theater is in the city center.
The theater is in the city center.
The children love their new toys.
The children love their new toys.
They live in their house with a dog.
They live in their house with a dog.
I gave them a present for their birthday.
I gave them a present for their birthday.
Can you help them with the homework?
Can you help them with the homework?
I eat breakfast and then go to school.
I eat breakfast and then go to school.
We watched a film and then went home.
We watched a film and then went home.
There is a cat under the table.
There is a cat under the table.
I put my bag over there.
I put my bag over there.
They are my best friends from school.
They are my best friends from school.
They live in a big house.
They live in a big house.
What is that thing on the table?
What is that thing on the table?
The best thing about summer is the beach.
The best thing about summer is the beach.
I think this is a good idea.
I think this is a good idea.
What do you think about the film?
What do you think about the film?
My birthday is on the 3rd of May.
My birthday is on the 3rd of May.
She came 3rd in the race.
She came 3rd in the race.
I am very thirsty after running.
I am very thirsty after running.
Are you thirsty or hungry?
Are you thirsty or hungry?
My brother is 13 years old.
My brother is 13 years old.
There are 13 students in the room.
There are 13 students in the room.
The class starts at 8:30.
The class starts at 8:30.
My father is 30 years old.
My father is 30 years old.
This is my new phone.
This is my new phone.
I like this song very much.
I like this song very much.
There are 1,000 people at the concert.
There are 1,000 people at the concert.
This car costs $10,000.
This car costs $10,000.
I have 3 sisters and 1 brother.
I have 3 sisters and 1 brother.
The film starts at 3 in the afternoon.
The film starts at 3 in the afternoon.
We walk through the park to get home.
We walk through the park to get home.
The train goes through a long tunnel.
The train goes through a long tunnel.
I need to buy a ticket for the bus.
I need to buy a ticket for the bus.
She has a ticket to the concert.
She has a ticket to the concert.
What time does the train leave?
What time does the train leave?
I do not have time to play today.
I do not have time to play today.
I am very tired after work today.
I am very tired after work today.
She looks tired and needs to sleep.
She looks tired and needs to sleep.
What is the title of this book?
What is the title of this book?
Please write the title at the top.
Please write the title at the top. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.